Build your first Bluetooth robot car with Arduino. Imagine controlling your own robot car straight from your phone. No gaming, no simulation. This is real robotics. Most students learn robotics from books but never actually build anything. That's where real learning stops, but frustration begins. Introducing the Bluetooth controlled robot car kit using Arduino Uno, a hands-on STEM kit designed to take you from beginner to build your own smart robot. With this kit, you don't just assemble parts. You learn how motors actually work, how your phone communicates with machines using Bluetooth, and how to program a real robot using Arduino. By the end, you will have built a fully functional wireless robot car. Everything you need comes in one complete kit. Robot chassis, motors, wheels, motor driver, Bluetooth module, battery, jumper wires, and more. No extra hassle, just start building. Perfect for school projects, engineering students, robotics workshops, and anyone who wants to start building real tech. Fast processing within 24 to 48 hours, 7-day guaranteed replacement, and free delivery on orders above 1499 rupees. Stop watching robotics. Start building it. Get your Bluetooth robot car today and build your first smart machine.